7-year anniversary, my love.
Woohoo! How long it take those to get
Outdoors with Dad. We're back with another video. Me and my wife, our 7-year anniversary. We're gonna take her canoeing on the Mississippi River and hopefully maybe do some fishing. We'll see. Yeah.
drop it in?
Just drop it in and let it go out a little bit. Give it some slack. This is a crappy pole, so. Something's wrong with it. What's going on with this thing? Listen, babe, I'm recording it all too.
You think that's enough slack?
I think it's never gonna work. It needs more weight. It's not pulling the thing. Take the camera so we can get this on video. It's on already. The camera is.
Oh. What am I getting on video? Just the...
Just going down this like little rapid part. I can't direct us and... You know what I mean?
Yeah, should I be steering right now? I'm a little nervous.
Transition just fine right here. Gonna pick up a notch, but that's a cool little adult spot. No problem. We get right into that. Should have went right into those more rapid spots, but I didn't. Oh, here's one right here. Oh, we ain't catching that. Cruising. You can also do, flip it so that we can see a boat now. Yeah, hey! We're canoeing down Mississippi! And we're fishing!
And pumping.
Huh?
And pumping.
And we're pumping? Dude, we're multitasking like there's no tomorrow. Well, we just had the coolest thing that could have possibly happened on the video, and totally both of us missed it because we weren't recording. So, that sounds great, right? Really cool eagle flew directly in front of us, flew right off the tree. She got a picture of it. That's great. We'll show you the picture when we get it on the video. I apologize, she got 2 pictures, everybody. Oh, there's an eagle in that tree up there, though. Right to your right. On the corner, on that. You see where the river's like got that? It looks like it's turning into another river.
Yeah.
You see the big tree?
Are you video recording now?
Yes, I am. We're in like a dead zone. You see how it's like not even moving right here? We'll wait for this person to pass us. I'm glad I only bought this small amount of leeches. Dude tried to sell me freaking $50 worth of leeches and say that was all they had. Dude, thank goodness he was a nice guy. Shout out to Vaders for hooking us up with only a dozen instead, even though they didn't have a dozen. You really think so? We were moving pretty good, babe. We've even been here, what, not even a half an hour? We've already moved from the boat launch area. That's not even a half an hour. Once we get back onto this thing, or like onto this, the current. Once the current takes us, we'll be good. No, not at all. Let's try to get back to that left side though, just so we are on that left side. A couple other canoers behind us. Good. Oh, they turned around. The pontoon.
There are 3 little piggies.
All right, so we're moving at snail speed. We haven't even got halfway, and we need to make it in time to get to a restaurant so we can go out to eat tonight for our anniversary. So we kind of got to be pedaling here in a little bit. So we're going to start doing that. What did you say, my love?
We're not gonna make
What?
it.
What? Why would you say that?
Hopefully we can make it to Bart because I'm lazy.
What? I can't believe you. All right, my love. You ready to start paddling?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's going to be an interesting one.
I want you to make a video though because I do want to remember it. I am having so much fun.
We might have to push you in the water.
Not until the end.
I know. I'm just joking, my love.
Oh,
I'm
I
just
don't
joking.
mind. Just at the end.
I'm just joking. I'm not pushing you in this.
Great.
Uh-oh. Just gotta do the arm hold thing, man. Telling you. Gotta do the arm hold thing and stand up. Our baby girl, our newest. We have a new addition to the family, by the way. I have 5 kids now. 4 girls, 1 boy. Yeah. And our kind oldest 2 children decided they would watch our newest born baby for us so we could go out on our anniversary and do a canoe trip down the Mississippi River.
And I think they're struggling.
And they're possibly struggling. They'll be fine though.
Not our problem.
No. Keep it with you, baby.
Okay, well just let me know if you want.
I will. Yeah, turn us so I can get this sunset. Well, it's starting to. It's getting close. We probably got another hour and a half. Seven years, can you believe it?
We were in the stars that align right up. You made it from the start. We've been trying so much. I know you wanna thank
I got this side. You want that side? Okay.
but if it was meant to
Keep going, and then once we turn a little bit more, I'll start going. Ducks on the river. Lucky I'm not duck hunting right now. We're not there yet. And we can't really duck hunt right here, but.
That one's got its butt down. You can see the butt.
The duck butt? No, that's not a duck butt. It's a log. Oh, here comes this duck. Oh, that duck. I thought he was coming back. That's cool, huh? So no fishing yet. We did fish, but it was a bust. So we decided we just hang out, enjoy our company together, and do some paddling down the river to try to make it back in time before the sun goes down, because we might have bit off more than we can chew. Which sounds pretty familiar for us. We tend to do that a lot. Oh wait, it's me? I tend to do that more? Oh, okay. I like to bite off more than I can chew. It's fun. I think we can do a lot. I believe in us, and she doesn't. I think that's what it is. Oh, you're a realist and I'm not? I gotcha. Going underneath this bridge. It's pretty cool. Part of the video, huh, everyone? Yeah. I know, it's just a bridge.
She had on, came behind closed doors. She was asking if I'm good, why she wasn't good too. Too tired, hearts in the same living room. I remember one night she knocked on my door. So baby, you don't laugh like before. So people change, it's not like this. That I hit harder than I hit me. I wanted to tell her I miss me too. Wanted to tell her what the silence
those are birds, my love.
Wanted to tell her every time I lied.
Those are birds.
I would just try to
Yeah,
keep
those
her
are
from
birds'
crying.
nests.
But maybe one day when the time feels
Yeah.
right, I sit at that table.
Pretty cool, right? We got a bunch of birds' nests up there. Oh, that would be good. Let's get out of here. Get the gym stuff. The thing is can we do it? How many hours would it be that we need to get there by? No. We need to get there before that. Before the sun goes down at least, right? So 2 hours to get there from there. So the trick is, everybody, can we do it in 3 hours? So we have 1 hour to go. We have 1.5 hours to go the rest of the way. Can we do it? I have no idea. I'm just going off of what you said. I'm hoping that we are. I'll keep doing this while you're doing that. Keep us going at a steady pace. Okay, that's what I like to hear. Like I said, about, which probably means we're not fully, but we're close. Pontoon. They're both pontoons. Oh, yeah, I did. Fish. I don't know. Could be. Turn, baby. Okay, good. Slow down a little bit. Okay. Whew. Scared me for a second there. It's about to be like, dude, this booty's about to tip us. Let's try to face these bumps. Let's turn into them. Yeah, you want to turn into them. Like this. Just keep going straight now. You want to cut into the waves. You don't want us to go start rocking like the ship on whatchamacallit. Yeah, that's what they did. They had the waves were going side to side, and they were side to side. We're good now. Oh, you see that fish? You see that big ass fish again? Just hundreds of ducks. Where are all these ducks when I'm duck hunting? Playing on the river, pretty cool. All right, we're getting there. I think if maybe I zoom in, you can see the dam that we're trying to get to. Oh, right there. We're almost there, everybody. These people got a crane in their backyard to lift their stuff in and out of. Holy moly. My wife's doing it. She's pushing through it. We're doing it. 7 years, baby. All the hard work we got to this point, we're putting all the hard work on today, too. Love you. Bike. All right, we pulled up the lights because we're getting pretty close, everyone. But, I love her to death. That's the dam we're trying to get to. We're almost there, y'all. We did it. We did it. It's gonna be an interesting video, huh, my love? Oh, and she's got a pump. 7 years. All right, we made it to the dam, y'all. We did it, my love. We did it. And that's the end of our video, y'all. We did it.
All right. We could just leave our stuff here. Okay.
All right, we did it. Good job, babe. High five.
Oh, that was awesome.
Good job. We did it. All right, everybody. So that's the end of the video. It was one heck of a thing we did there. Probably was like 15 miles we paddled the whole frickin' way because the river's about as slow as a turtle. I didn't know that. So we took a bit off a little bit more than we could chew. And now my wife's going to get the vehicle. We're going to get everything set up and we're going to head home and start actually making this video. So when you see it, it'll be actually good. Better than what it is now. All right. See you, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right. So I guess the video didn't end. We're going to Applebee's now.
Oh.
Me and my wife are going to go to Applebee's and enjoy a good meal, which it probably, hopefully it will be. Last time at Applebee's, it was terrible. So we'll see.
And the margarita.
Margarita and a Captain Coke.